Corporate executives often spend months locked in boardrooms, meticulously crafting a balanced scorecard to map out the company's future. The strategy often fails the moment you try handing this dense, data-heavy Excel sheet of KPIs to a truck driver or a maintenance tech. They look at the grid of numbers, close the folder, and go right back to doing their job exactly the way they did it yesterday. Humans are highly visual creatures. While spreadsheets are efficient for storing data, they lack the visual context people need to find meaning in their work. A strategy effectively dies if the people performing the work cannot visually connect their daily tasks to the CEO's high-level vision. The strategy map solves this by focusing on the if-then logic that connects different business goals. Building this map starts with the foundation, learning and growth. We invest in the roots by equipping our people with better skills and new tools. If we train our people, then our internal processes become faster and more accurate. If our internal operations improve, then the customer perspective shifts as they receive higher value and begin to trust the brand. If those customers remain loyal, then the result is financial success, with rising revenue and higher returns for the company. Every single layer serves as a powerful catalyst for the next, creating a continuous upward flow of business logic. Consider Siam Viltech, a construction firm that was losing money because project delays were triggering massive contractual fines. Their map started with a simple trigger. If the foremen learn how to use a new construction management mobile app, then real-time reporting reduces the amount of work that has to be redone by 50%. Then the company can consistently deliver projects on time. And if they deliver on time, those late fines disappear and the company returns to a profit. The foreman identified the app as the starting point for the entire project's success. They realized that using the tool was the specific action that led to the company being profitable enough to pay out their end-of-year bonuses. Seeing these logical arrows helps workers see exactly how their specific contribution leads to the company's survival. You can use the Shindanshi lens to verify if a strategy map is actually functional. Watch out for the orphaned box, goals floating in isolation with no arrows. These represent desired outcomes without any process to achieve them. Then there is the spider web, where arrows link everything, creating chaotic noise that hides actual priorities. A map must also fit on a single page. If it requires a 10-page manual to explain, it has failed as a communication tool. Without clear, directional logic, a map is just a spreadsheet with more colors. The real test of a strategy map happens on the factory floor, speaking directly to the people on the front lines. You should be able to point to the map and ask any worker, where do you fit in this picture? Author Antoine de Saint-Exupéry suggested that if you want to build a ship, you don't start by assigning tasks. Instead, you teach people to yearn for the vast and endless sea. The strategy map provides that picture of the sea, a way to align the entire organization toward one shared destination. Once that vision is clear, the next challenge is tracking the speed of the journey. In our next episode, we'll look at the engine of Silicon Valley execution, objectives, and key